If you experience any issues with the QuickBooks Online integration, here's how to troubleshoot it. In case of an error, YoPrint allows you to check the error logs to figure out what's going on. In this case, we can see there is already an invoice with the same number in QuickBooks Online that was created outside our system. YoPrint takes care not to override your changes and opts to inform you about this issue. Since we would like to preserve the invoice, let's just suffix a 1 to the invoice in YoPrint to fix it, then manually sync the order. Let's look at another example of an error. Duplicate name exists. This is a result of a failure to map customers. This usually happens if you have a vendor with the same name as the customer. Anytime you see duplicate name exists, you would want to go to the order and manually map the customer. In this case, there is no Brad in the list of customers in QuickBooks, so head over to QuickBooks and create a new customer. The name Brad already exists, so let's just add an initial at the end there. Now go back to YoPrint, manually map the customer, then manually sync the order. Aside from checking errors at the order level, you can also take a look at all QuickBooks syncing errors across all orders. To do this, go to Settings, Apps, and check the QuickBooks logs. If there are any errors, this is where it'll be logged. Those are the most common QuickBooks sync errors and how to fix them. If you have any questions, check out our knowledge base at support.yoprint.com or email our support team at support@yoprint.com.